Yeah, I'll do a little walk around. And is there a way we could kind of put the seats down for some subflex also?
Sure.
Awesome. Nice. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others.
You let him hear it, Jake?
He's got to give it to me. So is the trunk going to stay open or closed?
It stays open. Everything is outside the vehicle.
Okay.
But one star 15.
Okay. So could you tell me like everything in here, equipment, and your name? Go ahead.
400 amp JS alternator, Jason. Okay. 2 North Star batteries in the back.
Okay. Nice. Does these seats go down or they stay?
They do go down.
Okay. Okay, nice. It's pretty sweet that you can do both. So you have someone in the back seat?
Yes.
Is it louder with the seat down, you think, or up?
With it up, it actually, how do you say, that's my loading wall.
Got it. Okay. It almost acts like a port right there in the middle.
It does.
Yeah. So what's the specs on the box and tuning and all, do you know?
The tuning, the box, it's around 32 hertz.
Okay.
32, 35, but I usually have it for just a stunt wall in the back.
Okay.
It's underpowered.
Okay. Got it. All right. And what vehicle, battery, power, and all?
Vehicle is a 2016 Chrysler 200, and I have a 400 amp JS alternator.
Yep, you said that before. Yep.
AGM up front, and 2 North Star 80s in the back.
Okay. It just seemed all clean, hidden. I couldn't see anything. It looks good, which is a good thing to do.
One's on each side of the box.
It is? Okay.
Because the North Star batteries are very thin.
Okay. Got it. All right. Yeah, man, I'd love to hear it.
Like I said, it's stunt wall, so we do outside.
Okay.
Let's step out.
All right. Do you have any power on the sub?
Like I said, yeah, there's a little bit you can hear it out the vehicle.
Yeah.
But
okay. So the batteries are hidden underneath here.
Actually, they're in the sides.
Okay, got it.
You might be able to screenshot a little.
Okay. So these are for the front.
6x9s. Just
okay.
the 6x9s and some tweeters inside.
Okay. And then these are for.
This is for the sub.
And both of them?
Yes, I have them.
Oh, wow. Okay. Strapped or gain max?
They're strapped.
Okay. Nice. All
and
right.
these are just running the tweeters and 2 compressions.
Okay. Yeah, I'll do a little walk around. And is there a way we could kind of put the seats down for some subflex also?
Sure.
Awesome. Nice. What's going on, everybody? This is Jericho-Iniko. I hope you enjoyed that full walk around. We got Jason's system at the Stunfest show, local show near Pooler, Georgia area. So if you notice the way he has everything mounted in the back of the trunk, I'm actually really impressed to see how clean these speakers sounded and a nice clean install. Didn't find out exactly what spec the Scar 15-inch sub is. And of course, you notice the port tuning as well. He's definitely more all about music and pretty much making a music system outside the vehicle. But we did get some subflex during this demo as well. You got to stay tuned for. So I like the way he has everything kind of nice and fine-tuned where he can put the seats up. You don't really have to worry about back seats being destroyed because it's not too much bass, but it's enough sound for a daily sound drive quality system. And sadly, you can't really hear all the lyrics unless you're outside because most of it is screaming from outside the vehicle, not inside. And I like the way he has a brace to kind of hold up the back stunt wall system. Different style system today. Subscribe if you haven't for our daily car audio videos and enjoy.
I know you heard about me, nigga, going.
And I have a 3K pushing the 8.
Money calling,
okay.
Niggas calling quiz. I just scratched on with some niggas, scratched out on my list. And I just bought another lamb and parked it on my wrist. I hop out, sipping, walking trees. Yellow diamonds when I piss. I know you never, ever seen a younger ass like this. About my cheddar, mozzarella, never catch me in the mix.
What about this?
Nice.
Tweeters, and right now I only have 2 hooked up for 2 compressions.
Oh, okay. All right.
God keep blessing me, gotta be you. M's on M's, but I keep the F in right next to me. I come from shit, that's why I ball on them so heavily. Stack it, flip it, stack it again, that's my recipe. We made the rules, then broke the rules. We do what we want, little nigga. These diamonds just keep getting bigger. Ice cold like the winter. Her name, no, I don't remember. I see a big bag of money when I look in the mirror. Dog, baby, what you see is what you get. On my street, nigga, but I'm rich, rich, rich. Yeah, nigga, what you see is what you get. We in the Maybach truck ride with them sticks. I'm a junkie, I'm just trying to hit another lick. Baby, what you see is what you get. Bitch, on the street, nigga, but I'm rich.
Space, I got milky with the God, evolution evolving. I'm gone, loving far away. I'm illuminated now, I make a move, start the waves. I've been dreaming about flying for a long time. I had a vision from the birds they want to go flying. Unofficially, don't let it away. I'm your future best present. I'm a fine line. Yeah, I'm a mystery of this illusion. I am not really here, I'm an intrusion. I don't swim or sink, I just float. I don't need gravity, I just need growth. Oh, when I move, it's an earthquake, a rumble. I will never ever fall, never stumble. And I don't need to be humble. Break down walls like Jericho crumble. When I move, it's an earthquake, a rumble. I will never ever fall, never stumble. And I don't need to be humble. Break down walls like Jericho crumble. I'm from outer space. I got milky with the blood, evolution evolving. I'm gone, loving far away. I'm illuminated now, make a move, start the waves. I've been dreaming about flying for a long time. I had a vision from the birds they wanna go flying. Unofficially, then I did away. I'm your future best present. I'm a fine line. Yeah, I'm a mystery of this illusion. I am not really here, I'm an intrusion. I'm gone, loving far away. I'm illuminated now, make a move, start the waves. I've been dreaming about flying for a long time. I had a vision from the birds they wanna go flying. Unofficially, don't let it away. I'm your future best present. I'm a fine line. Yeah, I'm a mystery of this illusion. I am not really here, I'm an intrusion. I don't swim or sink, I just float. I don't need gravity, I just need growth. Oh, when I move, it's an earthquake, a rumble. I will never ever fall, never stumble. And I don't need to be humble. Break down walls like Jericho crumble. When I move, it's an earthquake, a rumble. I will never ever fall, never stumble. And I don't swim or sink, I just float. I don't need gravity, I just need growth.
Awesome, man. Thanks for showing me.
You are good?
Really nice. Dude, it's clean. You don't even hear the distortion. You tuned that?
Yeah.
Nice job, man. Really clean.
You can see one of the North Stars right in that corner.
Yep. Those are the, okay, the 80. Got it. Yeah, really clean. You couldn't hear any distortion. It didn't lose a note all the way to 20K hertz. So, thank you. Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you. Nice to meet
Yes,
you.
sir. Good job.
Peace.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.